Use the right lane to take it.
I haven't heard anything like that before. Oh my gosh.
Check on her.
Oh my gosh.
Check on her.
Come on, let's go.
Whoa! Here, wow! That was a close one. Wow.
Ya llegó Erika. ¿Y se va a ir? ¿Cómo le tomamos foto? Sí.
Tengo las placas.
¿Eh?
Aquí en la cámara tengo las placas.
Pinche buzón.
Golf course quality lawn, the easy way from the official lawn care treatment provider of the PGA Tour. Sign up at truegreen.ca. I'm Tully Cohen, your next update at 7:30 on News Talk 1010 Toronto.
And this is where we do the weather forecast. Sunny this morning, ding. Then increasing cloud this afternoon, high of 13 degrees. Overnight, looks like we could have some showers, maybe a thunderstorm.
All-electric 3-row R1S SUV and the R1T pickup. Designed for those who seek to explore the planet and preserve it for generations to come. Learn more at Rivian.
Holy shit.
Hey, it's Austin Cross. We're heading back to Dodger Stadium this summer for Ellis Night on Saturday, July 11th. Tickets sell.
DC Volunteer Day. Yeah, go.
Sure. Message to Wesley Wilson. DC Volunteer Day. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Sending it in.
Pain relief compared to leading OTC branded pain relievers. With just one pill, a week.
need an ambulance?
I don't know, but I think this guy's about to take off. We both pulled
What
over.
kind of- Can you see the tag number?
I will in just a second. He's in a black Honda. Yeah, he's definitely leaving right now.
Okay, what's the tag number? Do not chase him. Do not follow him.
It's a temporary tag. Yeah, he's definitely leaving right now.
Okay, what's the tag number? Do not chase him. Do not follow him.
It's a temporary tag.
Go ahead with it.
I can't see it. He just took off.